In today's guide, I am going to walk you through exactly how to back up and restore your games on Steam. If you are someone who has a massive library of games, or perhaps you are planning on upgrading your computer, or even just switching to a new hard drive, you know how incredibly frustrating it is to have to re-download hundreds of gigabytes of data. Internet speeds aren't always consistent, and data caps can be a real nightmare for gamers. That is why knowing how to properly use the built-in Steam backup and restore utility is a complete game changer. This process allows you to save your game files to an external drive or a different partition so you can get back to gaming without the long wait times of a fresh download. If this video helps you save some time and data today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech tips and gaming tutorials just like this one. To get started, let's go ahead and open up the Steam application on your desktop. Once you have Steam open and you are logged into your account, the very first thing you need to do is navigate to your library. This is where all of your purchased and installed games are listed. For this tutorial, I want you to find the specific game you are looking to save. Once you have identified it in your list on the left-hand side, go ahead and right-click on that game title. A context menu will appear with several different options. From this menu, you want to move your cursor down and click on Properties. Clicking this will open up a new window specifically for that game's settings. Looking at the sidebar on the left of this new Properties window, you will see an option labeled Installed Files. Go ahead and click on that. This section provides several tools for managing the physical files on your drive, and right there in the list, you will see the option that says Backup Game Files. When you click this, Steam will prompt you with a new window. It will ask you to choose a backup location. This is a very important step. If you are backing up because you are formatting your main drive, make sure you select an external hard drive, a USB flash drive, or a secondary internal storage disk. You can click the Browse button to find the exact folder where you want these files to live. Once you have selected your destination, go ahead and click the button to start the backup. Steam will then begin compressing the game files and moving them to your chosen location. Depending on the size of the game, whether it's a small indie title or a massive open-world AAA game, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour. Just let Steam do its thing. Once it is finished, you will have a safe copy of your game ready for whenever you need it. Now let's talk about the second half of this process, which is how to restore those files. Imagine you've just finished building your new PC, or you've just wiped your hard drive and reinstalled Windows. You've installed Steam, but you don't want to spend the next 2 days downloading your library. This is where the restore function comes in. To start the restoration, go to the very top left corner of the Steam interface and click on the word Steam in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to select the option that says Restore Game Backup. This will launch a restoration wizard. The first thing this wizard will ask for is the directory containing your backup files. You will need to click the Browse button and navigate to that external drive or folder where we saved the backup earlier. Make sure you select the specific folder that contains the Steam backup files you created. Once the folder is selected, Steam will verify that the files are valid and show you which game is ready to be restored. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click the button that says Restore Backup. Steam will then begin the process of moving those files from your backup location back into your active Steam library folder. It might look like it's downloading, but if you check your disk usage versus your network usage, you'll see it's actually just copying files from your drive, which is significantly faster than downloading from the internet. Steam will perform a quick validation check at the end to ensure no files were corrupted during the move. Once that progress bar hits 100%, the game will appear as fully installed in your library, and you are ready to play. It is that simple. Using this method ensures that you always have your favorite games ready to go without relying on your internet connection. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to back up and restore your games on Steam. If this video helped you out and saved you a long download, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and ensures you don't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.